another chilly day here in Florida. I think the high today is like 50 or maybe 58 or something. It's like 7:30-ish a.m. and we are about to head to Tampa for the day to do some work stuff. I think we should be back around lunchtime, so we're not going to be there all day. Tampa's so fun, so I wish we could spend more time there, but we have to get back to do other work. So yeah, it's just another really busy, worky kind of day. So I don't know if I'm even going to film in Tampa at all, but either way, I'll see you at some point soon. We're at work filming a safety video, so we have to wear these safety vests. Look at his cool outfit. It's very Kanye, easy vibes, all green. I love it. Just leaving now. We were there for literally 10 minutes or less. Every once in a while we get called to film a video for my dad's company, and so we go in these big warehouses and have to film people using the machine. And today's video was for a safety video that we actually already filmed in Atlanta, but we missed a couple clips, and so we had to come back here and film those little clips. So that's why we were here. Much later in the day. It's dark outside. Haven't vlogged anything really today, which is a bit sad. I just finished doing a bunch of work. Josh and I came to the office, my dad's office, to get some work done. It's 6:30 right now and haven't vlogged anything since this morning, so apologies. Before we leave the office, I need to decorate this Christmas tree, so cue the time lapse. Not my best work, but just working with what I got.
Yeah, of course.
I think it looks kind of cute.
Is that all the trimmings?
Yeah, I didn't have very much to choose from. I just found a whole nother container of silver ornaments, so we're gonna knock this out real quick. Everyone's gonna think that Santa just came overnight because everyone's already in the office except us. Officially done. Probably not my choice of ornaments that I would have picked out. I think it looks kind of cute though, blue and silver. We didn't put an angel on top.
I'm too heavy for that, so.
This is kind of a creepy angel.
Just put it on and see.
It's supposed to plug in and light up. We almost forgot the angel, but I don't know if we want to use her. Oh, okay, that's kind of nice. She's blue and silver too. It's like fiber optic. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, I guess so.
Look at this like vintage angel. Wow.
Can you change color?
That is very special. What's happening here? You guys having a cuddle fest? Are you the happiest puppy in the world?
What's she doing, huh? You comfy?
Are you so happy that we're home? Yes.